Introducing the Nanocam Plus NCP DVRHD dash camera with a 3-inch IPS screen and 24-hour park mode. This feature-packed dash camera includes a built-in HD 720p dash camera that records the road ahead at 30 frames per second. It captures your footage in fine detail for high-quality playback and provides a clear picture so that it displays license plates clearly. Auto record will begin as soon as you start your vehicle. It also has excellent nighttime clarity. IPS Screen technology provides exceptional clarity from all viewing angles. The 3-inch high-quality increased pixel display allows for easy viewing, playback, and menu navigation. A 120-degree wide-angle lens captures more in your field of view than the average dash camera, bringing all the details on the road into the frame. 24-hour park mode watches over your parked vehicle and will immediately trigger a 1-minute recording if an impact is detected. No external hardwire kit required. The 3DG sensor automatically saves your footage when the sensor is triggered by an accident. The dash camera embeds the date and time the accident occurred into the recorded footage. Loop recording constantly records your journey by recording over the oldest recorded files, ensuring you'll never run out of space. Motion detection reserves space on your micro SD card, only recording when activity is detected. This product meets and exceeds the regulatory RCM standards for EMC for Australia and New Zealand. Check out the full dash camera range via our website or in-store now. The Nanocam Plus range is exclusive to Supercheap Auto.